Hello, dear kids. Let's read again Marigold for class 3. And today's chapter is What's in the Mailbox from Unit 8. Dear kids, what's in the mailbox? This chapter is a poem, and in this chapter, there is a child, and that child thinks about the letters, thinks about the postman, thinks about writing letters. Now, have you ever received a letter? If you haven't, read this chapter. Most always, when the postman comes with letters, two or three, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. What the child is thinking? Most always, ज़्यादातर, when the postman comes, जब डाकिया आता है, with letters, चिट्ठियों के साथ, दो या तीन, दे आर फॉर माई मदर और माई डैड, वो मेरी माँ के लिए हैं या मेरे पापा के लिए, बट नेवर वन फॉर मी, बट मेरे लिए एक भी नहीं. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट सम लेटर्स दो, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, एंड देन माई फ्रेंड्स विल आंसर मी and I'll get letters too. Now kids, what this child is thinking about? This child is thinking to write some letters. To whom? To friends. I am going to write some letters though. हालांकि अब मैं कुछ पत्र या चिट्ठियाँ लिखने जा रही हूँ. Why जा रही हूँ? Because child in this poem is a girl. That's what I am going to do. यही है जो मैं करने जा रही हूँ. एंड देन माई फ्रेंड्स विल आंसर मी, और तब मेरे दोस्त मुझे जवाब देंगे. एंड आई विल गेट लेटर्स टू, और मुझे भी चिट्ठियाँ मिलेंगी. नाउ न्यू वर्ड्स, लेटर्स, पत्र या चिट्ठियाँ. ऑलवेज, हमेशा. नेवर, कभी नहीं. दो, यद्यपि या हालांकि. So kids, I hope you have understood this chapter, this poem, and what is there in this poem? In this poem, there is a child, a girl child, who is thinking about the letters, about the postman. When postman comes with letters, the letters are always for her mother or dad, and no letter is given to her by the postman ever. Now, what she then decides to do? She decides to write some letters to her friends. Why? To get answers against those letters which will be written by her to her friends, and she will be happy to get letters too, like her mother or her daddy. Now, come to the exercise. Reading is fun. First question is, who does the postman bring letters for? And the answer is, the postman brings letters for the child's mother and father. Second question, does the child ever get a letter? And your answer is, the child never gets a letter. Again, third question, what does the child decide to do? The child decides to write the letters to her friends. Talk time. Have you written letters? Talk with your friends. You might have written letter to your mother, your father, or your siblings. Dear kids, if you have ever written any letter, You can write to me in the comment box. I will love to read your comments. Next, who have you written to? आपने किसको लेटर लिखा है? Talk over this issue also. Third is, who would you like to write to today and why? आज आप किसको लिखना चाहते हैं और क्यों? Talk about this topic also. Now, there is a letter written and what is there? Devu has written a letter to his grandfather thanking him for a birthday gift. Dear kids, this letter is written to guide you as to how a letter is written to anyone. First, you have to write the address like given in this chapter, house number 1792, Daryaganj, New Delhi 110007. Thereafter, you have to write the date. Then, you have to address to whom you wish to write the letter, like grandmother, grandfather, or daddy, or mummy, or friend's name. And then you should write, thank you for the beautiful book of Panchtantra stories. You will be happy to know that I read one story every day. Your topic may be different. Thereafter, at the end, with love and your name. Okay? Learn to write the letter. And after this example, there is an exercise for you. Now write a letter to your friend telling her about your school. You can use some of these words like classrooms, children, bell, blackboard, teacher, and building. Now kids, practice to write the letter on the basis of the example given to you in this chapter. Dear kids, I am also giving you an example. Just write the address, thereafter the date, and thereafter your friend's name. Then write about your new school. Like, hello dear friend, hope you are good. I have changed my school and wanted to tell you about it. My school's building is so big and the children in the school are also very good. The teachers teach me very carefully and very lovingly. I used to ring the bell of the school also on the asking of my teacher. Then, with love and your name. Chal, let's do some paper fun. Dear kids, this is an activity. This is an activity for making an envelope and post a letter. Dear kids, steps are given. Try to do this paper fun yourself. Hope you will enjoy doing this paper fun. If you wish to learn, you can watch the channel of Imaginative Sisters. There you will find the steps for making the envelope properly. Dear kids, for this you will find the link in the description box. Now do the last exercise, word building. Here are some people who help us. Let's try matching A with B. A postman. Postman brings our letters. A cobbler. Cobbler mends our shoes. A librarian. A librarian works in a library. A driver. Driver drives a motor vehicle. A dramatist. A dramatist writes plays. A teacher teaches in a school. A nurse looks after patients. A musician plays musical instruments. An astronaut travels in a spacecraft. And a clown, yes, makes people laugh. So, dear kids, now do this chapter and enjoy learning. We'll meet again with the another chapter of this unit. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.